Hello, this is my RV. My wife Tammy and I are really enjoying this. We're enjoying it, but we've run into some hard times, so got to get rid of the toys first. It's a Diamond Series Rockwood. It's got a lot of extras on it. Everything you see here will come with it. It's even got a toaster. Some toys there. Microwave. TV's up in the back. Of course, it's all closed up right now. It makes it out into a queen. That drops down to a single small person bed. And these are the stairs right here. This thing is exceptionally clean. Like I said, it's only been used about 7 times. On average of it's all porcelain. My wife told me she wasn't going to sit on anything but porcelain. No plastic. But she really likes this camper. It's got, of course, this is all shut up. It makes into a wardrobe right there and some more storage. And of course, all this storage here. And it has USB ports. And comes with these blocks, X-chocks, the stabilizer, and of course it has a shower right here, outdoor shower, and this is where you hook up all your regular stuff. This is a breezeway that goes all the way through. You can put your dirty clothes on the inside through that hole right there, and that is full of all of the top of the line sewage stuff you can imagine. It comes with these cartridges that fit inside this box right here, and of course it's right now it's still in winter mode, but those cartridges are worth about $28 a piece or something like that. And there it is, and just lots of extras that you can't get from a dealer. So I hope you think about it. If you need anything else, don't bother to holler at me. My name's Tom Tennyson or Tammy Tennyson. Thank you very much for looking.